Before you begin, remove the battery, service cover, wireless cover, and M-SATA drive. Removal. Remove the tape that secures the RTC battery in its socket on the system board. Using a non-metallic flat-bladed tool, carefully release the RTC battery from its socket on the system board. Remove the RTC battery. Replacement. With the positive side of the RTC battery facing up, tow the edge of the RTC battery into its socket and gently press down until it snaps into place. Replace the tape that secures the RTC battery in its socket on the system board.